So what's going on today, guys? We're filling up the water truck. We gotta fill this up, get ready for tomorrow, because there's a chance we might be able to plant some beans tomorrow, and I want to be able to keep up. After that, we gotta go to our blood farm down the road, plant some corn for Dad so he can go to my sister's softball game. Gotta get my pickup down there, and and someone's got to take him home. So yeah, it ought to be an interesting day. There goes Augie, head down to Steckler's. He's got about a 35-minute drive down there, or 40, depending on traffic. But golly, it's a beautiful day out, I must say. Them grain bins get bigger every time I look at them. Maybe we'll add another one someday. Figured I'd give you all some clarity on how we know when our water trailers are full. One of the things, when you know, you know. So you shut it off, and it sits there and it runs out for a minute. Don't worry, it's straight water. Right, clean out of the well.
So how you doing, guys? Yes, I've got my own uniforms now, so that's been the highlight of my day. So yeah, but today guys, we're back at it in the sprayer. So we've been trucking all day. Didn't get any videos of it, but yeah, we're back in the sprayer now. Currently doing the ends right now, and we got up here, we got our target rate and what we're supposed to be putting in, what we're supposed to be putting on, or it says what we're putting on, our target rate, you know, as the pumps pushing water through it, how many acres it's estimated we're going to do an hour, how full our tank is, and how fast we're going. We've got, you see, it'll show us what we've already done, the field name and all that. We've got to do the ends, and then we will put it on our auto track, and if I get time later, I will show you how we put chemical on the trailer. And put chemical, fill up the sprayer. Jeez, that's what I meant to say.
Well, we're down here planting corn now, out south town. This field down here is 500 acres overall. So we got Mark and Zach over here working ground. Or Mark just showed up, and Zach's been over here working ground. So we got we're full on seed, 24 rows at a time, and we're running 8 mile an hour right now because I don't want to get too close to the, see, they're right over there. You can see the green, that's where they're at. But they're over there working ground, and I'm planting away. Back here on this unit, we have a tire that looks like it's starting to, I don't know if it's getting clogged up with mud or what. Man, that was clogged up with mud. I'm gonna go back there and check it out here in a minute. It looks like that one tire's dragging. I might have another one underneath that's dragging, but we'll have to check it out. Just as I thought, some kind of mud. Gotta dig all this out. Great. Heard I grabbed the bar. Plugged up pretty good. Packed in there. So I gotta dig it out with this. Hopefully. See, I'm making headway. I haven't even started on this one. Got it all cleaned up now. Dad told me not to drive through the wet holes. We're playing through them. I learned my lesson. Tires on the side there, right over there. They was packed with mud. I had to dig them out with a bar sort of thing, and then I finally got to go back going after I dug them out. But they packed up with mud because I turned around and that side of the planter went in the wet hole. So yeah, yay me. Been about 10 minutes doing that. Oh well, you live, you learn. Zach and Mark just got this field behind me done. It's not a very big field. This one is like 100 and something acres. So they got that field done. Then I gotta go over there to another field and finish that field for Dad. One of them that he didn't quite finish yet. After I get done with this field, it goes all the way over here to these tree lines. This tree line. So we're gonna try and finish it all up today. Might end up being a long night. I don't know though. We'll have to find out. Now I'm planting. I turned her up a little bit. Now I'm running about 9.4 because they got caught up and ahead of me finally. So if you know anything about what that means, we're going 10 mile an hour. We're still keeping our seed rates where they need to be. That's what you call a fast planter. We are getting it. I probably ought to slow down a little bit though, because I'm coming up on the end.
So how you doing, guys? It is currently 11:31 p.m. and we are out spraying, and I will show you what it looks like spraying in the dark. We're out spraying. I was joking about the time. You can see it. Been at it since, I don't know, a little after 4. I had to take 2 trucks of Mount Vernon corn. Now we've been spraying. Got 17% left in our tank, and we got how much we're putting on, how much we're supposed to be, our speed, pump rate, stuff like that. Fluid ran, our auto track line, and stuff like that. So that's that.
Well, we're rained out again. I'm over in Lawrenceville right now getting parts for a pickup. I'm on my way back, or now I'm on my way back to the farm. I got the parts, just getting back over there, getting them put on. Hopefully we can get a couple pickups going. We got two that if we get to working on them, we could get them both done today, but we'll have to see. The one had a cracked fuel rail, and then the other one has a busted EGR tube. I got the EGR stuff in my back seat so we can fix it, and I gotta pick up a fuel rail and some bolts, and then hopefully we can get it all put back together today. What's the weather looking like?
Well, she's a bit raining.
She's a bit rainy?
Bit raining.
What's it looking like for the rest of the week?
Rain tomorrow. Maybe some rain at the end of the week. Maybe not. We'll find out. Who knows? But I don't see any sunny skies coming anytime soon. But guess what? Even though it just rained probably an inch, I'm still gonna plant corn today. Just gonna do it, man. There ain't no reason we shouldn't. Full send.
Full sends only?
Full sends only, my boy.
That's an odd sight to see out of the shop. Looks empty in here now. Ping work. We're trying to make this all pretty. I don't fall in the process of walking over here. This all used to just be a mud pit. That was about it. So yeah, we dug it up and they went and got some stuff for it today using the Mini. So I was planning on doing more stuff today, but it's raining again. I know, shocker, right? Well, anyways, remember to check out that Crone advertising. And also, I just wanted to say that I want to do a farm tour sort of thing. Show you guys all of our equipment, all of our, just basically show you guys everything that we have. And that one will be kind of difficult to do because we got so much stuff and it's in so many different places at every single time. But so I'm gonna wait and do that probably. I want to get to 2,000 subscribers before I do it. So tell your friends, tell your girlfriends, tell everybody that you want me to do a farm tour, so they have to go subscribe to my channel and watch at least a couple videos. So anyways, please leave a comment down below if you got anything to say, and also like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.